Hey guys, this is Shell. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. As you can see, I already have my wig cap on, so I will be doing a wig install video. Now, this is my very first time trying a pre-styled wig. So this wig is from Ali Pearl and it is pre-plucked, pre-bleach, and it's pre-styled. Like there's literally braids in it. And when I saw this wig, I wanted to try it because if you guys know anything about me, I cannot braid. I can't do braids. Like I literally do not know how to do braids. So I wanted to try a wigs with braid. I think I'm going to be trying a full braided wig soon. I'm looking for one. Wish me luck on that one. The wig that I'm rocking in today's video, it's from Ali Pearl and it is fresh out the box. So I'm going to show you guys what the wig looks like just now. So this is the packaging. This is the box that it comes in. And guys, when I tell you I did not have to do anything to this wig, I have to find somewhere to clip this microphone on. It's kind of annoying. I got this microphone thinking that I was gonna love it, except for I don't really like this. I don't. Probably a little too late to return it, but my audio was kind of crappy, so I wanted a new microphone. I don't really know how to set up this microphone properly, so I don't know if it's at the best audio just yet. Just give me some time to figure it out. But anywho, this is the packaging right here. So I have two wig caps, HD wig caps. I already have an HD wig cap on my head. I have so many HD wig caps. And I also have my own brand of HD wig caps as well. So I already have that on my head. And this is the star of the look at, are you guys seeing that? Hold on. Let me see what this looks like. Okay, this is really annoying me. Okay, you have to go here. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Like you guys can see it, whatever, who cares? Okay, so this is everything that you get in the box. And lashes, I don't really do strip lashes anymore. I do like the individuals. I do them myself, so I kind of prefer those. But thank you guys. Have a satin, what is this? So we have a satin headband, an elastic one. So the elastic melting band, I personally prefer the elastic melting bands. That's what it looks like with the name Ali Pearl. And of course I have a edge brush, these are always handy, and a satin bag to store your wig in. All right, so that's pretty much everything that we have. Now the wig that I'm gonna be rocking, it's 24 inches and it is a size small. So there's small, medium, and large, I believe. All my wigs are small because my head circumference is 21 inches. Small wigs, they start at 21.5. So it probably is gonna be just a tad bit big, but honestly they have like adjustment straps in it, so that usually works for me. Are you guys seeing that? Like I said, pre-style wig. Like the hairline looks absolutely flawless on this wig and the braids are flawless. I don't know how to do braids, so I do appreciate the fact that it is already styled for me. That hairline looks super, super clean. I don't know who they have doing their wigs, but shout out to whoever is doing these wigs because that hairline is clean and it is bleached to perfection. Oh yeah, this is nice. Look at that. That hairline is absolutely gorgeous. I'm impressed, guys. I'm impressed. It also has baby hairs for the girls who love the baby hairs. Now, this is what the wig looks like on the inside. This is about a 13 by 6. All the info will be listed in the description box down below. And this is a HD lace wig as well. And now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the combs. So the combs are right here. Okay, so I have combs on the side. There's about 2 of them on the sides. This is a personal preference. I personally do not like them because I just feel like it just irritates the side of my head and I don't like that at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove mine. I just removed the comb on the side. Now as for the comb on the back, I keep this one, and this one I use to secure the wig in the back, so I always keep that one. I don't like this tag, it's kind of bothering me, so I'm going to remove that. I'm just gonna fix the adjustment straps here just so it fits my head better. Now guys, as far as the wig goes, I don't think I will need to do the ball cap method. You guys know I always do the ball cap method, but because of the way the wig is styled, I don't think it would be necessary to do it. Probably gonna have to bring this down a bit lower though, because man, Okay, I know I'm just playing with y'all. I didn't even put it on properly. But wow, I'm actually impressed with the lace on here. I'm gonna pull that all the way back because she's giving no forehead. Are you guys seeing that? She has braids. She has braids. But I gotta fix this because I know it is not really centered properly. I am actually impressed with the way this wig is fitting on my head. Like, what? Are you seeing that hairline? Like, it actually looks really, really legit. They did such a good job on this. This looks so good. Okay, so these baby hairs are kind of like already styled. This one's a little wonky, so I'm gonna have to fix it, but it has like a lot of hairspray in it. I can feel it. So I do have to fix that. Now, as for the lace, this lace looks great. Like, you seen that? Okay, so I just hopped off camera to go get my scissors so I can cut the lace. I already cut this side because as you can see, the lace, it kind of goes pretty far down and I don't want it to cover my ears. So I'm gonna have to do some cutting. But the hairline, I haven't even put anything on this hairline yet. Now, the worst thing you can do is cut off way too much. I'm trying to avoid that. All right, so this fits perfectly over the ear now. Now this side, I didn't cut it as good. I prefer how I did this technique. I've been getting a lot of pre-cut lace recently, and by far, this is actually my favorite one. Now, this is what the wig looks like glueless. I want to show you guys how it looks without absolutely no products in. Clearly, you can see this part is kind of lifting up a bit, so we're gonna have to put something down. Or you could just, leave it like that if you want to. The hair covers it anyways. So this is how it would look if you were to wear glueless. So now what I'm gonna do is, because this lace is HD lace and it's like transparent, I do have to tint it a little bit to match my skin tone. Now my forehead, I'm wearing contour. So this is the contour shade that I wear. It's by Colored Rain and it's in the shade 510 NG. So it is darker than my actual skin tone. And I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of that on my brush, just a little bit, not a lot, and just put it right here on the lace. Okay. And I actually really don't even need it right here because my makeup kind of got on it already, but on the sides, I definitely need it on the sides. So I'm gonna apply a little bit of that on the sides. Now, I know you guys are not used to seeing me with baby hairs. What do you guys think of that? I'm definitely not used to baby hairs. For this video, I'm not gonna be using any glue whatsoever. Now, even though it looks pretty good, I'm gonna go ahead and melt this down. And I'm gonna be using my Sticky Little Secret melting spray. This is from my own brand. And this is not a holding spray. I feel like I have to tell you guys this all the time. It is just a melting spray, and it's gonna give your lace a very seamless and flawless finish, so it doesn't look like, it's undetectable, like you can't see it. Like, what lace? Never heard of her. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my finger and just tap it into the lace. Yeah, like I said, I just apply a little bit of this to my finger and just tap it in. You can spray it directly, but I have my makeup on and I didn't really want to get it on my face. And I feel like it's easier to apply like this. You really don't need a lot. So I just press it down with the rat tail comb and I go in with my blow dryer on the cool setting. And I'm just cutting away any extra lace that needs to be cut. And that is pretty much it for the melting spray. All right, so as you can see, I'm applying my melting band now, and I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. While my hair is melting down, I'm gonna go ahead and use my flat iron just to straighten it out a bit because it does have some, kind of crinkles in it. It's not looking super sleek because obviously it was sitting in the wig box. So I'm gonna go ahead and just straighten that really quickly. I'll probably do this side off camera and then do the rest on camera. So I will be back super quickly. Bye. If I did the ball cap method, I could have done. I was trying to do this the super easy way by not doing that method. But honestly, guys, this is probably one of the easiest installs I have ever done. If I wasn't filming this video, this literally would have taken me like 10 minutes to do. To actually like put the wig on my head, not like going within flat iron, but it literally take me like 10 minutes. That's about it. Like, This is like a really good ready to go wig. Like you don't have to do anything to this hairline. Like this hairline is flawless and I'm here for it. Now, let me know what you guys think of this style on me. I'll be honest, I'm not really used to like this style, but I think it's kind of cute. I think it's kind of cute. I will see you guys in another video. All the hair info will be in the description box down below. And shout out for Ali Pearl for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.